Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is basically a brief introduction slash recap of different languages and the differences between these languages. It's just to give you a brief understanding before we move ahead with all our different coding series. So let's get started. Okay, so just an introduction to languages and their differences. Um, So there are about 700 programming languages, including esoteric coding language. That's not a very important term right now, so we won't define it. Other sources that only list notable languages still count up to impressive 245 languages. So those are languages that are used on a daily basis all around the world. Computer programming languages are used to communicate um, instructions to a computer. They are based on certain syntactic and semantic rules which define the meaning of each of the program language constructs. Uh, Here, this is basically a list of the top 20 of the many languages that are available. Um, the list is not the top 20 in order, but it's just the top 20 in general. Now coming to the most used language across the world, I think the most used language across the world would be Python, evidently 31.2%. Um, so the benefits of Python is widely regarded as a programming language that's easy to learn due to its simple syntax, a large library of standards and toolkits, and integration with other popular programming languages such as C and C++. In fact, it is the first language the students learn in Align program. It is a very popular programming language, especially among startups, and therefore Python skills are in high demand. Um, so Python is commonly used in a wide variety of applications, including artificial intelligence, financial services, and data science. Social media sites such as Instagram and Pinterest are also built on Python, which just shows how much Python is used across the world. We've also done a series on basic Python coding on our channel, so please go watch it to understand and learn more about Python. Um, Now, up till now, what we've covered on our YouTube channel. So if you look at our YouTube page, this is a screenshot of our YouTube page. You'll see that we have covered Python, Scratch, and we as coding languages, and we also have a series of women in STEM, which basically takes you through all the successful women in STEM field and how they grew and what they have accomplished so far. Um, now that you know what languages are, I'm just going to introduce and tell you what our next series is going to be about. So our next series is basically using a mobile coding app to code. And the mobile coding app that we're going to be using is Decoder. Very simple, amazing, love it. Easily, you can use it very easily. Um, it's a very basic and a very nice and simplistic app for mobile coding. You can't use it for big things, but for a basic level, for just understanding and learning purposes, this is possibly one of the best apps that you could use. Um, Very easy to download. You can download it on all iOS or Android devices, and it's completely free. So the two main languages that we will be covering in our upcoming mobile coding series is HTML and CSS. And to get a more understanding of what these two languages are and their use on a daily basis, please have a look at our next YouTube video. Um, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please follow us on all our social media sites and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thank you. Bye.